Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, we all know that our MST indicators iTrend and iCore are working for all the markets in all the situation. So now yesterday I have shown you in NSE market Nifty and I have been showing you in all the markets. Okay, you can you can see all the videos whatever we have released in our YouTube channel. It will be having minimum 10 videos in from each market. So we have shown you the videos of forex, NSE market, BSE market, commodity markets, and even other market types, stocks, equities, everything we have shown. So today let us see how it is working in MCX market in crude oil. This is just an example. For crude oil also we have released hundreds of videos. So you can watch it in our YouTube channel for free. So once the market is open, we will be getting 4 lines. Top side 2 lines and bottom side 2 lines. Either market will go towards the upper side or towards the downside. If the market is coming down to the downside, there is our buy zone. That is our supply demand zone. If market is going towards upside, there is our sell zone, that is our supply zone. Demand means there is a demand for the particular product, so we can expect the price will move up. Supply means there are more supplies at this junction, so the price is about to fall down. So this is the concept, supply and demand zone. Supply and demand zone or support and resistance zone we can say. See here, now the market has just to open. Okay, that is for yesterday, just to open. And before the price has reached either zone, we have got our zone. The buy zone is at 5231 and the stop loss is 5219. And upper side, the sell zone is 5279 and the stop loss is 5287. Okay, you can keep it in 1 minute time frame, 2 minutes time frame. It's about your wish. Again, what I will do, market will come and touch 5231, then I will go for the buy entry. If the market is coming and touching 5279 and reversing with a red candle, I will be going for the sell entry. So the stop loss is given in the red line. If stop loss is broken, I will reverse my trade. What is mean by reversing the trade? For example, I have taken 5231 buy entry and my stop loss is 5219. Once 5219 is hit, instead of giving the target, from 5219 I will go for the sell entry. This is called reversal entry for the buy. And what is the reversal entry for the sell? I will be going for the sell entry at 5279 with the stop loss of 5287. If market is falling exactly from 5279 and giving my targets is well and good. If it is not coming towards my targets and is going back against my calculation, that is it is hitting the 5287 stop loss, from there I will go for the buy entry again. Okay, this is called a reversal entry for the sell entry. If not understanding, please again watch the same video. Now I am waiting for the entry with 5231 and 5279. 5231 is the buy entry and 5279 is the sell entry. So let us see which side is getting activated. Whichever side it is getting activated, that side only we will be trading, other side we will be ignoring. So now let us see here. 9 o'clock we got the zone. Now the time is 12 o'clock. Till then market has not reached our zone. Till then market has not reached our zone. So again it has touched. See, exactly it has touched. See the wonderful. The low is 5231 and our entry point is 5231. When we know this low, we know before the price has reached to this zone. That is an ultimate of this indicator. After touching exactly 5231, the market is reversing from there. So once buy is activated, what to do? Go to the settings, enable the buy targets and remove the sell zone. That's all, nothing else you have to do. If you want, you can extend the targets. So first let us see how many targets it is giving. First target is hit. Second target let us write, second target also hit and third target also hit. So exactly all the three targets has been hit. This is how our indicator is working, not only for the crude oil, almost in all the scripts available in the world market. Okay. If you want to know the extra targets, that also we have given the option here. See, let's scroll down. Here you can notice show MST iCore extra targets, target 4 to 6. Just to give. Okay. See, perfectly almost 6 targets has been hit yesterday itself. So from 5231 to 5278, I think. What is the high made? 5277 was the high yesterday. So how can we catch this kind of momentum exactly from the exact low? We know the exact low before it is reached. That is the ultimatum of our indicator. If you want to trade like this, if you want to build the confidence, now we have released an updated version. Okay, this is the updated version. The updated version has been installed for all our existing customers and it is getting automatically updated. So if you have not received the update, please contact us to this number through WhatsApp only. We will be updating your indicator immediately. You will have to just share your username. We will be doing everything from our server side. So it is very simple to use and it is very profitable, and you can become expert of this indicator once you subscribe to our indicator. Now as a new year offer only for tomorrow, till tomorrow it is valid. We are giving this indicator at 999 rupees, just 999. Why? You can test it, and the condition is you have to open one trading account through our referral link and you have to trade continuously for that in that account. Only then you can continue for the next month. Okay, this is the one time offer and one day offer. If interested, you can contact us. We will be happy to help you with this new year offer, and it maximum allowed is only 50 numbers. 50 numbers only allowed, not more than that. So first come first serve, only 50 members will be given the opportunity to avail this offer, and you will have to open one trading account, and that is in Alice Blue using our referral link, and you have to be an active trader. And for others, if you are already having account in Alice Blue, or you don't want to use the Alice Blue, or you don't want to open a trading account using our referral link, what you can do, you can avail extra discount. Okay, so from the existing plan you can get 50% discount extra only for tomorrow. Okay, either you open account and get the indicator at 80% discount, or get 50% discount for everyone as a new year offer tomorrow. Hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be happy to help you. And yesterday I had released video in Tamil about in Nifty, that we scored around 2000 points profit yesterday. How we did it? Go to the settings. This is in positional trading, 1 day time frame. I am just giving reset button and enabling the dynamic zone. Nothing else I am doing. And since I have disabled the history, it will not show everything. Now I have enabled the history option also. So now you can see the performance. Exactly, market has fall down. It has fall down from 25,700 something to 24,371. So no one will be dare to buy at this level, but our indicator is showing, and we are also not going to buy blindly. We'll be waiting for one green candle, so that once high of that candle is broken, then we'll go for the buy entry. That is safest side. Otherwise our indicator is mathematical calculation. So when the number is reached, you can go for the entry irrespective of the candle. But to avoid maximum loss and maximum fear from the market, what we are suggesting, wait for one candle to close above and one candle to close below for buy entry and sell entry. Okay, so now exactly we got the buy entry at this place and all the targets has been reached. What we'll be doing, once buy is activated, we will not go for the sell entry. Once sell is activated, we will not go for the buy entry. Okay, so now go to the settings and enable the targets. How many targets you can enable, that is up to you. So I have enabled 3 as 3 plus 3 6 targets. First target has been achieved, second target achieved, third target achieved, fourth target achieved, and fifth target also achieved, and we are expecting sixth target as well in few days. Okay, in few days we are expecting another 400 points more, another 400 points more in Nifty, and totally we will be getting some 2400 points profit only if you have the patience. If you don't have patience, then no one can help you. If you don't trust the system and if you don't follow the system, then no one can make you profitable traders. So what we can do, we can identify, we can predict the exact buy zone, we can predict the exact sell zone, we can say where to enter, where to exit, and what is the stop loss, what is the target, everything we can predict using our software. But implementation only from your side. For that you need to inculcate your patience, your trading skill, your capital, your stop loss fixing, your sizing, position sizing, target fixing, everything is from your side, and mental support to be created from your inner one. So do not forget to follow the discipline. If you are a disciplined trader, you can make money. Money will not come easily. It will go very easily, but it will not come very easily. But you have to put your effort so that once you are ready for getting the more money, our system will help you. Okay, so hope I have explained everything. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us on the given number. We will be happy to help you. And another one, we have started providing franchisee opportunity now from the new year. And if you want to promote our indicator either in the name of MST iCore, or you want any white label softwares, that also we are ready to provide you. So let us grow together. Let us make a difference in the world. Let us support the small traders. Okay. We will not give any false information or false promise. So show as such. If they interested, if they can perform well, then they can come forward. Otherwise, we can ignore those people. We can guide them. Instead of misguiding, we can guide them. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy, profitable trade ahead.